Hi, I'm Kim Hallmark with Remax Platinum, and I am on beautiful Sherman Street in Decatur's gorgeous Albany Historic District. Looking very much forward to showing you a home today at 633 Sherman. Join us for the tour. This beautifully restored home offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms on an oversized, gorgeous lot just off of 6th Avenue in Decatur, Alabama. The owners have just completed a beautiful restoration of this home in the Albany Historic District. There are 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, gorgeous living room and other formals, and a kitchen to die for. Okay, I told you we are now in the to die for kitchen. This restoration project took this from a formerly fabulous to now exquisite property. I want you to be sure and pay attention to some of the fabulous details. There are a couple of pantries. There's ample cabinetry, quartz counters, Pecky Cypress wood accents here on the island, as well as the beam. I want you to be sure and watch for the really kind of secret hidden doggy